Hello world, today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2011, and I want to know, who'll stop the rain? No, but seriously, today I wanted to talk about a few things. One being that, what's gonna happen to, 2.5 Men now that Charlie Sheen's gone? Basically, you're losing all your good, people. So, also, I want you guys to check out, this video called Worst Wrestler Ever. It's just a funny promo of this actual wrestler called the Texas Dingo. I have the annotation somewhere in here. I'll put it up later. I don't know when. The link is in the fun zone. Also, I'm going to check out something tomorrow called, let me get to it on my phone. A guy I work with told me to check his buddies out, and I'm going to check them out to see, how funny they are. And I'll let you guys know either tomorrow or Thursday how funny they are. And you guys, go check them out as well. Fluffandwilson.info. That's FLUFFWILSON.info. I'm going to check them out. I'll let you guys know how funny or whatever they are. And, basically that's all I have for you today. Very short vlog. I'll be here tomorrow, of course, and be prepared to be offended, Christians, for the Funny Friday. Sorry. Alright. Thank you and have a great day.